and can't really see it, but out in the distance is the island of Kauai. Can just barely see it breaking through some of the clouds. And we're still a couple hours away from getting there, but our next port of call is at Nauwili, and we are on our way into Kauai. It's our second day in the Hawaiian Islands. And we're getting closer to the island of Kauai. You can see we're heading straight towards it. We're here on the Disney Wonder. This is our day we're going to spend on the island of Kauai here in Hawaii. And we're looking forward to this day.